everyone, so today's video is going to be on every fashion hack you'll ever need to know. I'm going to show you all of the fashion hacks that I've ever shown so far, along with some new ones that I've not shown you yet too. I hope you enjoy it. Everything will be linked down below in the description box that I show in this video, and let's get into it. So the first hack is for when you're tucking your jeans into your boots. Sometimes it can look a bit messy and bulky at the bottom, especially if your jeans aren't in a skinny fit. So a good way to fix this is to put a strong hair tie or band around your ankle, but not too tight that it's uncomfortable, and put it where you want the jeans to look fitted. Then when you put on your shoes, the jeans will tuck into your boots very neatly. The second hack is for altering your top quickly if you feel it's too low cut. So all you'll need for this hack is a hair grip. So work out where you'd like your top to finish, pinch the two pieces of fabric which are behind the v-neck together, and push the hair grip down them to fasten them in between the hair grip so that it's together, and then that is it. So just to show you what I did on the inside, I've grabbed either side of the back of the v-neck together. You'll see the fabric where it's stitched, and then just slide the hair grip so the fabric is in between the grip vertically, and this is completely invisible on the outside. It's such an easy hack to do once you master it. So on to the next one. You can easily tie up any t-shirt at the front by twisting the top into a bun-like shape like you do in your hair, and then take your hair tie and tie it around it, and then that is it. Again, such an easy hack if you want to shorten your top or make it look a little bit different. This next hack is to help tuck in your top perfectly. So sometimes it can look a little messy just tucking it into your jeans. So instead, gather your top into a ponytail position at the front, then take a hair tie and tie the top up, and then tuck that inside your jeans, and you'll see how much neater that looks, especially with some tops that are very oversized and flowy like this one. Another hair tie hack is for when your sleeves just seem to fall down all of the time. It's so annoying. So take a hair tie and put it around your wrist over your sleeve. Then fold the sleeve over the band, and you'll find it not only holds your sleeves up so they don't roll down, but it just makes the sleeve roll look so much neater too. This next hack is for when your jeans are just a little bit too long, or you think they look too baggy at the bottom. I'm only 4'11", so I do this with nearly every pair of jeans that I own. Just roll the ends of your jeans up by folding it over themselves, and you'll find they'll fit so much better at the ends. So you might have a really nice dress, but it's just a little bit too long. So to fix this and make it look shorter, gather the fabric around your waist to the length you want it to be at, and then put a belt over the top of it because this will hold the dress up, and that's it. This is such an easy no-sew hack to do, and I find this works with pretty much any style of dress too, like this khaki one. It doesn't matter if it's midi or if it's a short one, it definitely works with most styles. This next one is for when you want your chunky knit or sweatshirt to look tucked in if you're wearing it over the top of a dress. So pull the sweatshirt completely down and then place a belt around your waist. Pull the top up and over the belt until it's completely hidden and looks neat, and you'll see how it completely changes the look of this outfit. You can have an amazing pair of boots, but sometimes if they're made from a painted material like this, then they can squeak. So to fix this, take some Vaseline and put it wherever the material rubs against something. So usually on the tongue of the shoe, but don't forget little places like at the back. And this honestly really does work, and now these boots don't squeak at all anymore. A quick fix for when your outfit is creased but you don't have time to iron it: take your hairdryer and run the heat down the item. This does only work for small creases though, but I find it works even better using the nozzle on the end of the dryer to get the heat flowing in one direction. There's nothing more annoying than when your jeans just won't do up, so take a hair tie or an elastic band and put it around the button of your jeans, and then thread the other side of the band through the buttonhole and then around the button again, and it just gives you that little bit of extra room to breathe. Cover it up with your top or put a belt over the top of it to disguise it even more. So this next one is when you feel your top is too long but you don't want to tuck it into your trousers. So gather the top to one side at the back into a ponytail, then take your hair tie and tie this up, and then cover it up with your jacket. This hack only does work though if you are wearing a jacket, otherwise you will see the ponytail. I'd love to know any of your hacks too, so please leave them in the comments down below so we can all help each other out. Another issue is when your jeans dig into your hips, especially if they're made from a stiff material. So a quick fix for this would be to take a thin scarf and just place that around the waistband where it's digging into you, just to act as a barrier between the jeans and your skin. And that honestly really does make such a difference. And finally, this last hack is super quick. So if you're wearing a big baggy jumper but you want it to look more flattering, just half tuck it into the front of your jeans and it gives you this really nice draped effect from the side too. It's one of my favorite things to do, especially for winter. So that is it. I really hope you liked this and that it helped you. Please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if it did, because that would mean the absolute world to me. It makes me so happy to read all of your comments and when you subscribe. So have a great day and I'll speak to you all in my next video. Bye guys.